Do you know that one of the world's most influential institutions has just entered the AI debate in a massive way? Today, we are talking about why the Catholic Church has released a nearly 42,000 word document focused entirely on artificial intelligence and what it could mean for the future of AI. Religious institutions rarely weigh in on emerging technologies, but this time is different. Pope Leo XIV has just published his first encyclical, one of the highest and most important forms of papal teaching. In it, he draws a direct comparison between today's AI revolution and the Industrial Revolution, making it clear that the Catholic Church intends to play a major role as a moral voice in how artificial intelligence develops. The document, called Magnificat Humanitas, was released to Church's 1.4 billion members worldwide, and its message is powerful. Pope Leo warned that a moral AI means nothing if that morality is determined by only a few people. He even called for society to disarm AI before the technology grows powerful enough to dominate humanity. Here are the key details. Leo warned that the primary drivers behind AI are private transnational companies, whose capabilities already exceeds those of many governments around the world. He emphasized that AI is never truly neutral and always reflects the values and incentives of those building it. He also called for AI to become more human-friendly and urged society to free the technology from monopolistic control. According to Leo, there is a real risk that AI could reduce human beings into mere cogs inside a giant efficiency machine. The Pope went even further, calling for robust legal frameworks, independent oversight, informed users, and political systems that do not abandon their responsibility to govern these technologies. When it comes to warfare, his position was crystal clear. He stated that lethal decision must never be delegated to artificial intelligence and declared that no algorithm can make war morally acceptable. What's especially interesting is that the conversation did not stop with the Vatican. Christopher Olah from Anthropic also joined the discussion, saying that every frontier AI lab operates within incentives that can sometimes conflict with doing the right thing. So why does all of this matter? Because popes issue only a handful of encyclicals during their leadership, and dedicating one of these rare documents entirely to AI shows just how seriously the Catholic Church views what's coming next. Pope Leo sees artificial intelligence as the industrial revolution of our generation, and notably, he has chosen to align with a company that has been among the most vocal advocates for AI safety and one of the strongest supporters of limiting unrestricted military use of advanced AI systems. The message is clear. The debate around artificial intelligence is no longer just happening in Silicon Valley. Governments, researchers, and now one of the world's largest religious institutions are all trying to shape what comes next. So for more insane AI and tech breakthroughs, make sure to like and subscribe to Patch Pulse, and I will see you in the next update.